Good evening. I am Madhurima Datta, Zoology and Biology Educational Content Creators. Now's content for Class 9, CBSE, ICSE and other boards. Chapter is Tissue and topic is Nervous Tissue. Nervous or the nerve tissue is the main tissue of our nervous system. It monitors and regulates the function of the body. Nervous tissue consists of two cells, nerve cells or neuron and glial cells, which helps transmit nerve impulses and also provide nutrients to neurons. Brain, spinal cord and nerves are composed of nervous tissue. They are specialized for being stimulated to transmit stimulus from one to another part of their body. Next, nervous tissue location. The nervous tissue or the nervous tissue is the sheath tissue component of the two major part of the nervous tissue, that is the central nervous system formed by the spinal cord and the brain, and the branching peripheral nerves of the peripheral nervous system that control and regulate the functions of the body and their activities. Next, the nervous tissue is located in the peripheral nerves all through the body and also in the organs of the central nervous system such as the spinal cord and the brain. Next, the nervous tissue consists of the nerve cells or the neurons. Neurons are the specialized cells that reacts to stimuli by generating the signals through the axons, which are elongated structure arising from the cell body. Next, structure of the neuron. What is a neuron? Neuron is the structural and functional unit of the nervous system. Structure. Cytone or cell body. The cytoplasm of the cell body is called neuroplasm. Cell body possesses neurofibrils which helps to transmit the nerve impulses. Nasal granules are present in the cell body. Dendrites. These are small branched projection arising from the cytone. They conduct nerve impulse synapses to cytone. Axons, axon hillock, the cone-shaped area where the axons originate from the cell body, acting as the trigger zone for the action potential. Next, exoplasm, the cytoplasm within the axon, which is containing neurofibrous microtubules and mitochondria. Next, axolemma, the plasma membrane that surrounds the exoplasm, which is electrically excitable and contains ion channel. Next, myelin sheath, a fatty insulating layer formed by Schwann cells, that is peripheral, or oligodendrocytes, that is central, that increases the speed of nerve impulse transmission. Next, nodes of Ranvier. Regular gaps in the myelin sheath along the axons where the axolemma is exposed, allowing or saltatory conduction. Next, axon terminal or called telodendria, the distal branches that end in synaptic knobs or buttons which release neurotransmitters. Next, characteristics of nervous tissue or nerve tissue. Nervous tissue make up of the central nervous system and peripheral nervous system of the nervous system. Contains two distinct cells, that is neurons and glial cells. It consists of the dendrite, cell body, axon and nerve endings. Neurons secrete chemical neurotransmitters which are responsible for stimulating other neurons as a result of a stimuli. And presence of specialization at the axonal terminus called synapses. Nerve cells live long, cannot be divided and replaced except memory cell. Next, function of the nervous tissue. Neurons generate and carry out the nerve impulses. They produce electrical signals that are transmitted across distances. They do so by secreting chemical neurotransmitter. Response to stimuli, carries out the communication and integration, provide electrical insulation to nerve cells and removes debris, carries message from the other neuron to the cell body. Now topic has ended. Good night everyone, and please subscribe my YouTube channel Biogenesis by Madhurima for class 9 to 12 biology playlist, chapter wise and topic wise, and notes and class of the BSc Zoology Honors, MSc Zoology and CSI Net Life Sciences.